need to get this in proper form first because I believe this is going to be exact. So let's multiply every term by dx. So this will be a dy. Oh, that's dx dy. Good grief. Dx dy. So I'm going to put everything by dy. So that gives me a dx here plus x cubed y squared dy equals 0. And the first term, which I'm about to underline, that's m. So let's take the partial of m with respect to y. First term will be 3x squared y squared, and that's n. And the partial of n, respect to x, will be 3x squared y squared, therefore exact. Alright, so the first term definitely looks the worst, so that's the one I want to integrate. So I want to integrate x, let me see, I'll write a separate step. Minus 1 over 1 plus 9x squared dx. And that is the integral of y cubed x squared dx minus the integral of 1 over 1 plus 3x squared. I'm setting that up to be inverse tan. All right, so this is 1/3 y cubed, 1/3 x cubed y cubed when I integrate, minus 1/3 inverse tan of 3x. Do a u substitution, let u be 3x. And when you find du, you get that 3 dx. That's where the 1/3 comes from. All right. And I'm going to call my integration constant g of y. And let's put a star here because I'll have to come back here. That will be my solution. So now we take the partial f. Remember that line with the star on it is called f. Partial f, partial y. Partial f, partial y. So that's going to give me, the 3's will cancel. That's going to give me x cubed y squared. And this is just a constant, so that'll be 0 plus g prime of y. And now let's take that. I'm going to start working in blue now, okay? You take x cubed y squared plus g prime of y, and you set it equal to what you did not integrate. In this case, we integrated m, so this leaves me with n, x cubed y squared. And those fall out, so I have g prime of y equals to 0. And then I integrate, and that's in terms of dy. So that's g of y equals c. So go back to this line here. Maybe my answer is 1/3 x cubed y cubed minus 1/3 inverse tan of 3x equals c. But remember, I've asked you to clear your fractions. That's x cubed y cubed minus inverse tan of 3x equal 3c, but 3c is still a constant. So there's my answer.